Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's Garage in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2017 Suzuki Ignis 1.2 SZ-T 5-door, finished in the fervent red and black alloy wheels. SZ-T is the mid-spec, comes with reverse parking camera. You can see it there, displays on the touchscreen. Ignis is really practical for a small car with a 50-50 split seats, which also can be adjusted forward like so. Can go further as well, just increases the boot space if required. They also fold up flat. Really nice and clean inside. There's the touchscreen, aircon, daytime run headlights and Bluetooth. Full service history on this one, 8 service stamps and very low mileage, just over 33,000. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for SAT-NAV capabilities. Super reliable and very economic. If you'd like to see the Ignis for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.